Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Berozgar Engineer. In this video I am telling you about a problem. An error has occurred SU-42118-6. This SU problem arises in many devices. How I fix this problem I will tell you in this video. So hope you like this video and subscribe our channel Berozgar Engineer. So recently I faced this problem on my device. There are multiple methods to fix the problem in your PS. So you have tried an offline update by using a SPI stick and safe mode. Try use a different hard drive. If you have one, you can use the another hard drive that will help you to fix this problem. Because my USB cable is corrupted, then this problem arises. It's a fault due to drive that caused the fault fuse on the main board for me. So you need to check your all the hardware and then try to play this game. And please check your hard drive and USB that they are accurate or not. Another method to fix these problems are, so what you need to do, restart your PS4 and try to update the system software using a wide internet connection if possible. Select notification from the PS4 function area, highlight the update file and press the option button and then tap on the delete button. Whenever you tap on the delete button, next select the setting and go to the system software update option. You need to select that, and if you experience multiple failed downloads, please update the PS4 system software using a USB. That will 100% fix your problem. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel Berozgar Engineer.